Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to discuss conditional probability. Till now we have discussed the probabilities of event. Now suppose if we have two events from same sample space, and in conditional probability means the occurrence of one does affect the occurrence of other or not. How it will be affecting, that we are going to discuss here. To discuss here, we'll take a random experiments in which all outcomes are equally likely. Let's take an example of tossing a coin, fair coin, 3 times. What will be the sample space of tossing a coin 3 times? We can write that H H H H H T H T H H T T T H H THT, TTH, TTT. Now here, if I take two events, one is E, other is F. Now what is event E? At least two heads. Occurring at least two heads. What is event F? Is first coin shows 10. Now if I write the favorable sample point for at least two heads, what I will be having, you can say I will be having at least two heads, HHH, HHT, HTH, then THH, THH. First point shows 10, these four events. I can write THH, THT, TTH, TTT, right? So, probability of occurrence of E. Probability is what? Favorable number of outcomes upon total number of outcomes. And here, favorable number of outcomes, we have 4 outcomes. Each probability is 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8. So, we have 4 by 8. That is 1 by 2. Likewise, the probability of F is also 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8. That is 4 by 8, now 1 by 8. Now, the main thing that we are going to discuss here is the line just read it. Probability of E such that F has occurred. Means we know, we are interested in finding the probability of E, and we know F has occurred. The probability of at least two heads, suppose that and such that the first point shows 10. Now if I know I am tossing a coin 3 times, and if I know the first point shows 10, then our sample space will be same or will be changed. Obviously, if I tell the first point shows 10, if I tell first point shows 10, the favorable outcomes, the total sample space will reduce to a new sample space which will contain these 4 elements. Means our sample space will be the sample space for F, THH, TST, TTS, TTT. Why? Because we know first point shows 10, right? So total possible outcomes will be these 4. So one thing we have understand, when we know probability of, we are interested in finding the probability of E such that F has occurred, the sample space will reduce to F. Now what is the favorable outcome now? Favorable outcome now means now we have THH, THT, TTH, TTT. Favorable outcomes means E. This favorable outcomes will be at least 2 heads, only 1 outcome we have out of the sample space. So we can say the probability of E such that F has occurred is 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4, how? Total outcomes are 4 and favorable outcome is 1. Let's also understand this by writing the formula. Probability of E such that F has occurred. What you have written? What is THH? THH is favorable. What is THH? Can I say THH is the common elements of these two events. E and F means number of elementary events favorable to E intersection F, right? E, because we have written 1 in the numerator. How we have written 1? 1 for this THH, and this THH is common in both. So we have written number of events favorable to E intersection F, and upon number of elementary events favorable to F. अपॉन में क्या है हमारे पास? What is new sample space? This is new sample space, and this is what? This is favorable to F. So we can write N E intersection F upon N F. I am dividing both sides, dividing numerator and denominator by NS. So we have P E upon F. Therefore, this can be written either E upon F or E oblique F as and E intersection F upon NS and E NF upon NS. This can be written as P E intersection F upon P F, and this is the formula of E by F. What is P E by F? Probability of E such that F has occurred. So P E intersection F upon P F. Remember this, numerator will have intersection, denominator will have the event which is already occurred. This should be clear that P F should not be equal to 0. This means F is not equal to 5. Now we have properties of conditional probability. The first property that we have, suppose that we can say S be a sample space and F be any event. Then we can say the first property P S upon F is equal to P F upon F is equal to 1. Second property, let A and B be any event of sample space S. Then we can write P A union B upon F is equal to P A by F plus P B by F minus P A intersection B upon F. And the third property is of complement, that is P E dash upon F is equal to 1 minus P E by F. I hope by this video the conditional probability concept is clear, right? Then upcoming video I will be coming with independent events and other topics also. Thank you so much.